Hi guys, to make a cover letter in Microsoft Word, open the Microsoft Word program and from the file menu select a new file. This is the resume that we have created in the last lecture. It was based upon the blue-gray template. From the new tab, we will search for a template regarding the cover letter. We will type cover letter and click on search. Here we can see that there are number of templates available. We will select blue-gray cover letter. In last video we created blue-gray resume. You can see that it is a very compact design and very simple to create. So we will change the things as per our requirements. First of all, change the picture. You can see the method in the video. From the picture format, click on change picture and browse for the picture you want to insert. Change the name, it's your name. Type your full name here. Adjust the size accordingly. Type the job title. You can type your own job title. I have typed software developer. If you are a driver, you can type driver, or if you have some other profession, like if you are a lifeguard, then you can type lifeguard here. So whatsoever your profession is, you can type here. Okay, then there is the contact information. You will type your phone number here. Website, I think there is no need to insert the website, so we will replace it with address. This is the physical address of you. Type your physical address here. Type your email address here. It should be a valid email address. Your employer can send your call letter on this email address, so it should be a valid one that you are presently using. Now type the name of your employer, his designation, then the company name. Type the complete company name here. Then type the physical address of the recipient. Here the recipient is your employer. Type the city name and postal code. Then comes the salutation. Here use the proper salutations like dear John, or you can use the generic salutations. Like respected sir or respected madam, depends on your case. Then there is the description. In the cover letter, you will type 3 to 4 paragraphs that best describe your profession and your abilities. You will type about the why you are going to apply for this job, your present profession, your experience, and you will brief the employer that why you are a best candidate for the job. At the end, you will type your name and type the number of enclosures you are enclosing with this covering letter. So here we have completed our covering letter. I have not typed the paragraphs, so you have to type the paragraphs according to your own description and your profession. Here is the complete covering letter. I don't have a printer, so I am going to save it into a PDF format so I can print it whenever I need it. So my covering letter is saved in a PDF format. Here is a PDF format cover letter. It's a very compact and smart design and very easy to create. You have seen that it was a very easy task to complete this covering letter. This is the resume. You can see the basic difference between a resume and the cover letter. Basically, the resume is bulleted points and the cover letter contains a lot of description in the shape of paragraphs. You have to prepare a cover letter and a resume when you are going to apply for a job.